Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really fun Zivame haul, and everything in today's haul is under rupees 999. So Zivame has their Navratri sale going on, which is going to begin from the 6th of October, and they have an up to 60% off. They have free shipping, cash on delivery, and a very easy 15-day exchange and return policy. Other than that, if you use my code, you can get an additional 10% off as well. So yeah, definitely check out the sale, and let's just get started with today's haul. I'm gonna start with PJs. I think my favorite thing on Zivame are their PJs. So we might, like my friends and I, we might go on a pre-wedding trip. My friend is getting married this year, so we might do that this month or next month. I don't know if it's going to happen, but if it does end up happening, these are the PJs that I'm going to wear. So I ordered 2 cotton PJs because cotton PJs have my heart because they're so comfy, and when you wear like a matching set, it looks cute also. So the first one that I picked up is like a dark navy blue color PJ set. Very, very comfortable. I wear the size small in case you were wondering. It's like a proper full sleeve PJ, full sleeve, full pant, so very, very comfortable. If I'm going to be staying at a hotel, it's going to keep me warm as well. Then I got these really cute lavender PJs. I actually got one more for my mom as well, so that we can like twin. I've been doing that recently. So lavender PJ is very, very cute. Again, very cozy, and the fabric is so beautiful. I love Zivame PJs, as I mentioned earlier, and this was just such a fun color. I don't own like lavender color cotton PJs, so I picked this one up. This time I also picked up some satin PJs from Zivame. These are so cute. So I picked up 4 different like colors and patterns. The first one that I picked up is again this dark blue navy blue PJ set. They are shorts and half sleeves, so you can even wear them in like summer or in like a tropical area. Then I got this super cute pink color. It's so cute and so diva like. I love it. Then we also have this beautiful teal color. I honestly can't say enough good things about these PJs. They're obviously very, very cute, but also the satin is so soft and so comfortable. And lastly, I picked up this palm print wala PJ set. I think this one has to be my favorite. Like in terms of the design, I really like it on me. Now moving on to the bras, you guys probably think that I'm crazy and I buy like so many bras, but the thing is that I wear only t-shirt bras for the most part. Like I would say 99.9% of the times I'm wearing a t-shirt bra. And now that I have to like shuffle between my home and like my studio, when I'm at home, I feel like I don't have any bras to wear because I've like got most of them here. So I just picked up a few for me to keep over there as well. I was in like a different mood when I was shopping on Zivame, and I picked up like really fun bright colors. Usually I love my neutrals, but I was feeling some kind of way. So I got this green bra. It's a very unique color ka green. It's not like a typical green. It's such like a fun pastel green. Then we have this yellow. Oh my god, it's like such a bright fun yellow, and very comfortable. By the way, these t-shirt bras don't have a wire underneath it, and like when you wear them, it feels like you're wearing nothing. Then we have a teal, again such a fun color. Then we have a light turquoise. I love this color. It's so pretty and so dainty. And मैं Zivame पे shop करूँ and I don't pick up a sticky bra, that's not possible, so I picked up another sticky bra. If you don't know how this works, is basically the bra is a sticky bra, like there's like glue on it, and you can stick it and you can wear it under like sleeveless tops, off shoulder tops, cold shoulder tops, so that your straps aren't visible. I also picked up 2 sports bras. So I've been going to the gym, as you guys know, and sports bras मुझे थोड़े कम पड़ रहे थे, so I picked up these like high intensity sports bras. The first one that I picked up is this baby pink, very beautiful like pastel pink bra. I think Adya, my friend, also picked one up, and uska dekh ke mujhe bahut man ho gaya wo lene ka. It's very cute and very comfortable. And then the second one that I picked up is a neutral. It's a grey and white bra. I own the same one in the navy blue version as well, and I love this bra mainly because you have to wear it like a regular bra, like piche hai uska strap, so very like easy and comfortable to wear. Personally, I don't like to wear bras that you have to wear like a top. I don't know, I just don't like those at all. So I either like it if if the hook is पीछे या फिर it's like a zip up one in the front. So those are the bras that I personally like and I feel most comfortable in. Gym से related मैंने एक और दो चीज actually उठा ली. The first one are these leggings. So these are knee length leggings. I usually wear full length leggings, but I loved the print on these specific ones, so I picked up these. In case you're wondering, I personally wear a size medium in leggings. And then I also picked up this sweatband or wristband. Basically you're supposed to like wear it on your hand and like pasina aata so you can wipe it using that. My dad wears it a lot and I just thought now that I'm going to the gym, I can get one for myself and actually use it. So this time I actually picked up a swimsuit from Zivame. I don't think I've ever tried swimsuits from Zivame and I found this really cute one. It's like a fun orange color and it's a cold shoulder pattern. It's a one piece. It's very very cute. I loved the print, love the fit, love the fabric. Overall a big thumbs up. तीन बहुत ही random चीजें मैंने उठा ली Zivame से, but मुझे लग रहा है मुझे काफी useful आएगा. First one are socks. Actually socks are not random. I really needed socks, so I got some ankle length socks. These are very thick. मुझे ना personally shoe bite हो जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो I hope इसमें मुझे नहीं होगा. लग नहीं रहा है मुझे होगा क्योंकि मटेरियल काफी थिक है एंड आई लव द प्रिंट ऑन दीज. हाँ, दूसरी दो चीजें आर रैंडम. द फर्स्ट वन आर दीज बीडेड स्ट्रैप्स. सो बेसिकली इफ यू डोंट वांट योर स्ट्रैप टू शो but at the same time you don't want to wear a strapless bra, you can switch out your straps like regular straps and put these beaded ones and it's going to look like it's a part of your outfit. So I think this is going to be really great if we end up going to like a tropical place wherein I'm going to be wearing a lot of like spaghettis, but I do want to wear like a proper comfortable bra. That's when I can add that in and it'll look like a really cool fashion accessory. So I picked one up in teal. They do come in a bunch of different colors, so you can definitely check it out. And then I picked up these really fun pantyhose. I do own like plain pantyhose, but these have like really cute like embroidery almost on it, so it's like really going to like dress up an outfit. And abhi to November or December, like the colder months are coming in, so pantyhose just go really well with like a winter outfit. Okay, the last few things that I have are very like travel friendly, like traveling ke liye hai. The first one is this pouch, traveling pouch. I can never have too many pouches. When I travel, everything is categorized into pouches, like right from my underwear, my bras, my hair accessories, makeup obviously, did I say hair accessories already? You guys get the point. Like everything is categorized properly. So I picked up this pouch. It's this really cute pink color. And I think I'm going to be storing my bras and underwear in this. I think that's what it's meant for. Like you can properly place your bras and then you can fold your underwear and put it in the upar wala zip. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Then I got this set of like pouches. You could call them maybe like packing cubes almost. That's what I use them. Again, same logic. It's for me to like divide everything. And I already own ye wala same pouch ka version in like a pink color. इस बार मैंने teal color उठा लिया because I needed more like packing supplies. Then I picked up the pee buddy funnel, peeing funnel. When you're traveling and there aren't like clean washrooms available, but obviously you need to use the washroom, you can use these funnels where you can pee standing up. I have used these funnels for years and they work really really well for me. They are disposable, paper के होते हैं, so you use it once and then you can throw it away. Trust me, it's so handy because it's going to like save you from a UTI and like weird infections. So definitely carry these when you're traveling. One more thing that I added were these toilet seat covers. So when you're trying to not pee, that's when you can use these, or you can use these obviously when you're peeing as well. They're very very handy and I think just such a great thing to add in your traveling bag. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget that Zivame has their Navratri sale going on. It's going to begin from the 6th of October. They have an up to 60% off. Also, if you use my coupon code, you can get an additional 10% off. They have free shipping, cash on delivery and a very easy 15-day exchange and return policy. I'm also going to link their app in the description box below just to make your shopping process a little bit easier, so do check it out. Give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.